Jai Srimanarayana. 21st sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kairlingaihi Trin Gunan Yetan Atito Bhavati Prabho Kimacharaha Kadhanchaitan Trin Gunan Ativartate. Om. Keep observing attributes of great people and try to follow them and try to inculcate those attributes. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep observing great people for their attributes and I shall start inculcating those attributes. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching, narrating the story of Gajendra Mokshanam to Parikshin Narendra and saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Gajendra is praying Paramatma like this. Yaha sva atmani idam nijamayaya arpitam kvachit vibhatam kvacha tat tirohitam aviddhadruk sakshi vubhayam tadikshate saha atmamulaha avatu mam parat परः यस्वात्मनीदं निजमाययार्पितं क्वचिद्विभातं क्व च तत्तिरोहितम् अविद्धदृक् साक्षिवुभयं तदीक्षते स आत्ममूलोऽवतु मां परात्परः. ఒకపరి జగములు వెలినిడి ఒకపరిలో పలికి గొనుచు ఉభయము తానై సకలార్ధ సాక్షియగుణయ్య కలంకుని నాత్మమూలినర్ధిదళంతున్. Gajendra praying Paramatma like this: Hey Bhagavan, this entire universe was in you before this creation. At that time, there is no shape, there is no form, there is no name to any entity. That is why it doesn't feel like there is something different from you. It feels like you are by yourself and you are alone. And then you, with your own will, with your own sankalpam, you will bring out the entire collection of insentient and sentient entities out by giving them forms, names, shapes. Then this entire Srishti comes out and established like this. Bhagavan, you are the one who knows each and every entity and each and every thing. You are the one who is able to see each and everything. Bhagavan, you are the supreme. You are my protector. I surrender to you. Like that, Gajendra is praying Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. मुकुंदमाल कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्रय गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 14th chapter 21st श्लोक. कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणान् एतानतीतो भवति प्रभो. किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते. कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणान् एतानतीतो भवति प्रभो. किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.